It's so special to be here. I can't really begin to describe how it feels. 100 years ago, and the violinist Murray Hall played it here, and the composer Vaughan Williams was here in the hall. So it's just magical. And just while I was playing, the hall feels like a special place for the Lark Ascending, because the acoustic is just right and it's really intimate. It's a beautiful space for it.
Probably 99% of Bristolians are unaware of this amazing story, and with the Lark Ascending obviously constantly being voted, you know, the nation's favourite piece of music, if you like. This beginning is incredibly important to Bristol, and I'm sure, you know, to Shirehampton as well, and actually flagging this up as a major bit of musical history.
The composer, Ralph Vaughan Williams, was putting the finishing touches to the tune when he was staying here at King's Western House with his friend. He wanted to try it out somewhere. His friend had built Shirehampton Public Hall for the community. And so the premiere of what is now England's favourite piece of classical music was held not in some grand concert venue, but in a Bristol suburb.
I think it's really important to teach children about such an important anniversary and to give them opportunity to listen to music, especially classical music. A lot of children, they can't afford to go to concerts in this area, so it's a joy to be able to mark such an anniversary just here in Shirehampton in our public hall.